To Kun Suchat, good afternoon.
Can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. One quick question is the landscape. Kun Lam, still no news from him.
He still insists that he needs the file from our scan, which it just finished on end of last month.
Okay.
We are under preparation the Revit file before we make it in CAD file to issue to you all.
All right.
It takes time. By the way, I informed already that we hope we can have all the CAD file within this month.
No.
Three more weeks after receipt.
No. I mean Kun Lam, the landscape, the first presentation. Yeah. So he's waiting for the CAD file before he can continue.
He wait for the CAD file.
Okay. All right. Okay. Understood.
Okay, we can start. For the meeting this time on September 19, we have some comment on our own to make collection for the name of Cookie Dynamo to be last time record as Cookie Dynamic. I'm sorry, cookies, and this will be recorded on this time. If you have any other comment, please give us some suggestions. Okay, otherwise we accept this one, the minute of meeting. We go ahead that we have the designer to inform the progress of work. I hope we may start from P49 and V-Lift will be next. Shall we?
Okay. Okay. I'm doing the schematic design following our present last time, and it's in progress. And actually, we also do the layout of power outlets, ceiling plan in the same time. And this information, I think Kun Sakon already issued to you, right? Just really short. Our design is in progress, and this today after our meeting, we have a meeting with Kun Namphung Bilit to discuss about her concept and my concept, how to do together. Yep.
May I ask that you already make confirmation for using the material as per your presentation?
Yeah. We sent the materials hard finishing to Kun Papin already.
Okay, we hope we can start from that with the mock-up room. So yes. I don't want to wait for your issue for tender, set, whatever.
Yeah. No need to waiting for my final package that you can start right now. We already issued that specification.
So can we askคุณประพินมีอะไรกับคีย์เวิร์ด49ไหมครับ
ไม่มีค่ะรอสเปคอย่างเดียวโอเคค่ะ
ครับ
Shall we go to V-Lift please คุณพึ่งครับ
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะ For V-Lift we have just started on the mock-up room in building C. We're gonna have a workshop meeting with Kun Yuthana after this meeting, and if we both agree, I will just submit it to Kun Anthony and Kun Prapin later for getting approval, and after that all the fixture specifications and RCU specification can be sent to the QS team to check on the budget. And I think the process will take around 2 weeks.
Good, noted.
Thank you.
By the way, can you make the draft schedule for your design process and issue to us, please?
For the mock-up room, right?
I hope you have all the design process from the beginning. Otherwise, we don't have no timeline for each designer to incorporate together.
Okay, can you please send this schedule to me so that I can insert
Yep,
our schedule into your existing one?
Yep. Kun from Bilit, right? Kun,
Yes.
what's the name?
Tipaya.
Okay. Kun Tipaya. Sorry, I'm Anthony here from Marco. It's quite simple
Hi.
actually for your work schedule. I think you have to tag very closely to Kun Yutana ID basically. So whatever he already has provided a schedule. If you can see item 3.3 is almost his draft schedule. So actually, to be honest, your scope will tag very closely to him. I thought this is a very good sample for you to begin with. So you no need to think about how long you need the process. You basically take almost his deadline. I think this will help you very much.
Okay. So Kun Suchat, can you please send me this schedule so that I can follow?
Sure. I send it by email.
ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you คุณ Anthony
ครับ no problem
คุณพึ่ง
ค่ะ
I would like to know the target you set the RCU because I think the RCU have the wrong time to order. I know that it's 60 days for the produce the RCU panel.
Sorry, what is the question again, please?
I want to know the RCU function from you in the end of this month. Can you?
End of this month.
Yes. Can you issue? Yeah. Because the RCU have the wrong time to produce to produce.
As I informed earlier that we had sent our information to two suppliers in Phuket, and I hope to get their feedback within this week. So maybe in the beginning of next week, I can just forward this information to Kun Suchat ค่ะ
If the Bilit send the information to you in this in end of this, can you to produce next step? Okay,
ครับฮัลโหลครับ
ครับ
โอเคครับพี่
โอเคคุณพึ่ง Okay, go ahead.
Before you leave to discuss with P49, ใครมีประเด็นกับทางP49กับทางบิลลี่อีกไหมครับเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวสองท่านบอกว่าขอแยกออกไปประชุมนะครับ
คุณพึ่ง Tomorrow I will have the meeting about MEP meeting. I talk about with the everything in the MEP. But tomorrow you have RCU issue. If you have a free time, can you join with me at the 10 o'clock?
I'm sorry ค่ะ tomorrow I have a site meeting somewhere around in Bang Na, so maybe I can catch up later on this information.
Okay.
Is that you in the minute of meeting?
Okay.
Okay ครับ next we will have triad. Okay Okay, maybe can you wait for quite a bit, Kunze, because we have peace and we have meet join us now. We expect peace can inform just very short time.
Okay, sure, no problem ครับ
ขอบคุณครับ Please ช่วยรายงานหน่อยครับ Please give us some progress or requirement from you from this meeting. Please อยู่ไหมครับ
ตอบแทนนะไม่
ตัวที่ปิดไมค์ไว้ผมไม่แน่ใจคุณพีทไม่อยู่โอเคแล้วของมิกมีประเด็นอะไรบ้างไหมได้ติดตาม Okay, Mick, can you report about your progress, please?
ไม่มีครับ
Okay.
Okay, so we go to Kun Ture to report on progress, and he has some presentation to show to this meeting, right? Kun Ture,
Okay,
please go ahead.
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you สวัสดีครับ So first thing I would like to start with the survey report which we share with the team yesterday, the final report, and then we can go to the new layout which we are working on. So let me start with the report first. Okay, so I think it was sent quite late last night, so you may not have a time to open it yet. So this is an executive summary of what we have surveyed and what we have found and our recommendations. And then it starts with basically the general facilities of the kitchen areas. So it's very specific to each kitchen, whether it's floor, whether it's ceiling, whether it's light, whether it is hygiene or a safety. And we have highlighted a potential concern and some recommendation that how it can be improved. So this is quite long area by area report. Later on, I can go through this together with your team, Kun Prapin. You know, and we can discuss how we want to improve. We may have a separate half-day session with the team or whatever is, you know, good for the team. Then the second part is about the equipment. So the equipment report is basically we have done itemized survey of all equipment. We had surveyed 850 equipment. We have classified them like how many beyond repair, how many need major repair, how many moderate repair, and how many needs minor repair. And our recommendation relates to that, whether, you know, reuse or evaluate cost and scrap. And this is a summary of basically now we have labeled every item, we have identified them, and it's in this you know, format. And just to show you the sample how we have prepared the report is I'll take maybe only one part of it and open the file.
While you are looking for the presentation, may I ask Kun Pravin shall we set the date or time for the meeting with your team and the
คิด
chef?
ว่า should must เลย because the new layout already is like it's totally changed 100% changed.
Actually, that is our next topic I would like to
Okay.
discuss. Yeah,
Mhm.
okay.
Yeah.
I do not intend to change, but I
Yep.
wanted to show the benefit of doing that, whether we
Yes.
should do or not. That is
Okay.
for discussion, you know. So it's not that we are recommending to change.
No,
So
I don't have any obligation, but
yeah, right.
would like to understand what
Sure,
why.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay.
Okay.
So this is just a sample of the wing B. So I separate because the files are very large. So each item, as you see, we have taken the picture, we have a dimension, we have highlighted what is the condition, the performance, hygiene, and this list will go on. This just wing B is 163 items.
Suresh?
Yeah.
JJ.
Hi, JJ.
Hi. I think it will be beneficial for Kunprapin and owning companies. Some of the equipments, is it below the life cycle or is it above the life cycle? Then it becomes a asset depreciated value. It can be written off, right? So that has to come from you as expert, and maybe the supplier can also validate that, saying this is beyond life.
But that we already highlighted in our report. What we have recommended as like a scrap item or beyond the life cycle.
Yeah, scrap may not be the right word. You'll have to say whether it's beyond life cycle.
Yeah, but when we say that, okay, for example, some are minor repair.
Yeah, repair is fine.
Yeah, right. But when there is a major repair, now when it's a major repair, okay, life cycle has a two component. One is when it was purchased and how long it is used. Second is a maintenance history. So if we want to, let's say, put it in that term, we need to get the record of when the items were purchased.
That will be very difficult to get now.
Right. But our recommendation is more based on current condition, that how the equipment are in current condition. So for example, going to...
Why I'm asking this, Suresh, is sometimes maybe because of mishandling, is it beyond repairable, or is it because of the life cycle? It's beyond. That's the main thing.
Yeah. Okay. So we can look at how we want to phrase it.
Yeah.
But
you have mentioned in one item, like for example, in number 87, you mentioned near end of life.
Yeah.
And then the next time and another one you put gas lava grill, it's equipment not working.
Yeah.
Gas soup warmer equipment not working, or is it beyond life cycle? That's what.
Yeah. Okay. So we can elaborate that more. But for example, I just on the screen gas defect fryer, right? Equipment not working beyond repair. So a rusty body, it has not been in use. So we need to get, if we want to say, okay, how long this unit was in use, how many times it was repaired, and now, you know, whether we consider as just terminate life or not. Yeah. So we
I don't know if you're going to get that record. I think it has to just come from you.
Yeah. Okay. But in our report, in general, given the current condition for because of the safety, because of operation, or current condition, we recommended whether to evaluate cost for a modification or repair or a scrap. You know. Yeah.
Yeah, of course, like the stainless steel tables, you don't need to repair. They're fine. We don't need to throw them out. We can reuse them.
Right.
Yeah, some of them are straightforward. It doesn't have any mechanical.
Yeah, right.
items that can be reused, of course.
Yeah. So this is a report, and I'm not sure you had seen the what I had mentioned, the general facility report, right?
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah.
Yeah. So that highlights basically.
That's a good report. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So that is a progress from our side on the survey report. Then the second part is about the new layout. So let me open the layout which we propose. So we have, one second, it's coming up now. So this is the existing layout, the current layout. So again, what is highlighted in our report, like receiving area is exposed. There is no proper pre-wash area. Then we have in the report, some of the cold rooms are not working, and the condition of the floor and wall of the cold room is not so good, whatever. So that relates to the condition. And second part relates to the workflow. So we have general chiller, freezer on one side, the prep area. As such, we don't have a post-prep holding. And it probably was okay in the past when the hotel was, designed in the past that different F&B outlet, they having their own cold storages and like semi-preparation there. However, in a new design, we would like to recommend that everything we centralize for a better hygiene, better food cost control, and reduce actually overall manpower in other F&B outlet. So
For sure.
like a Bon Appetito, for example, you have so many cold rooms. Some of them are not working. The kitchen is huge there. So overall, it is quite inefficient if we keep as it is. So this is a bigger level picture, that whether we repair and fix as it is and keep it going for next 5-10 years, or we want to really do it properly and then we keep it going for next 15-20 years. Again, you can see in the main kitchen there is a crossover to access to the staff canteen through the cold kitchen. So after this study, we recommend this new layout. So with new layout, we would have a proper pre-wash area. We have a main holding chiller like a raw seafood, raw meat, freezer, fruit vegetable chiller. Then we would have a preparation area and a post-prep holding chiller. Then it's dispatched to various outlet, semi-prepared food from here. Also within the main kitchen, we rework the flow. So now there is a better and a clear access to the staff canteen without going through the cold kitchen. The dishwash area, again, dishwash area is, if we want to keep it central for the main kitchen and a staff dining as it is being used now, then we can also work out the drop off from two sides. So this is our, first pass for improvement. Any comment, any suggestions before we discuss further on what would be the consequences of new layout in terms of cost?
We can go to the layout. I think your understanding is right, that we have to minimize the movements. We have too many in and out. That creates more room for pests to walk in and walk out. That needs to minimize, because there's a lot of doors coming out of every kitchen. We need to interconnect that. Sorry, Kun Prapin, yeah.
I have a question on the bakery area. We still keep it here or we
Okay.
bet because
Yeah.
I feel it's too hot. Mm-hmm.
So
It's not a
bakery
proper,
area,
actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
bakery
Please.
area, we have same recommendation, Kun Prapin, that bakery area, we have a general recommendation about the temperature. Currently, the pastry room is small, the bakery room, and the bake-off is, so we rework this area, and in our new layout, if you may see, the dough preparation area, the bake-off area is between the pastry and dough preparation area, separate chillers, and we have a chocolate ice cream room. So this is now a proper, bakery with a segregated temperature zone and a working zone as well.
Red, how about we move the kitchen, the bakery area, this one, to the first tree, to the BA somewhere around that. It would be, or it must be next to the main kitchen. BA. At the BA, Buon Appetito.
Oh, Buon Appetito. Okay.
Is it too far?
I think this is a very good suggestion, Kun Prapin, because Buon Appetito, when we look at now as built, and once we look at the concept, I'm sure we will have plenty of space. I remember walking there that we had so many cold rooms and preparation, and so if we move there, then we have a lot of advantage. Number one is we could improve the staff dining area, the seatings. And in fact, I would still like to improve the steward store and the beverage store. So this whole area we can improve. Now the question is, okay, generally the bakery consumption, the highest consumption is at all-day dining because of morning breads and croissant. So whether moving to Buon Appetito is going to add more logistic to bring it back, that is something we need to really discuss. But other than that, I think it has a lot of advantage. What you suggested,
because it's too tight. This one is too small for the kid to make a good bakery. Right.
Yes, Kap. I agree. And at this moment, we were trying to rework within the given space. But if we move, that would be a great help here to improve the dining. And if you see in the canteen area, I mean, again, we try to work within the similar or the same constraint. If we were to redesign the canteen, we would do it with a nice, central island, like a buffet counter. So staff feel like they are dining in a modern cafe, not in a canteen. That is what we do for a new project. Yeah.
Okay. So
in fact, there's two canteens. Sorry.
Please, couldn't.
I was just saying that we actually have two canteens. We can make it into one to bring in efficiencies. We have two places for dining. The other one has never been used for a long time, but this can become a consolidated space.
One more thing is why I moved is because no one working there, and we always let it empty.
Correct.
No one take good care of the condition. They leave everything so bad.
Correct. No, I think one place is better.
Up to you, Red, but this is my recommendation. Okay.
I think it's a very good suggestion, Kun Prapin. My team was in fact telling me, and I said no, just maybe that is too big of reshuffling. Whether we should go ahead or not. But
we should go.
So okay, that's great.
Go.
That's great.
Okay, and extend the canteen another one more bay, right?
Yeah.
You have to see, Kun, Sean, what you will recommend for Buon Appetito. No?
But even we give back quite a bit space from the Buon Appetito kitchen to a public.
It's a big one. Yeah.
It's a huge space. Huge space. Yeah. So, and that will help us to improve whole this area, you know. In fact, we had also considered the direct connection here, but because of electrical panel, we don't want to propose at this time. Otherwise, this is also a very good for, you know, from the preparation straight to the main kitchen or to the canteen kitchen. Yeah. So, but that we will see.
Yeah. And for example, nowadays this kitchen serve only Thai, right? And if we have another outlet, so we have to think about this also. AJ, is it?
Right. That is what I was saying. Yeah.
Can you tell him exactly?
Robin, I think Sean is working on some concepts also, no? Now.
Right. But I just tell Kun Suresh that this outlet will serve another outlet above. Instead of Thai, we have one more outlet. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
So Suresh, idea for us is next to Thai, we have a small meeting room. There was a discussion of a concept restaurant there, additional concept. What that will be, we'll have to wait and see. So it'll have 2 restaurants, Thai and one more. So this kitchen downstairs, which is fairly a big kitchen, should be able to self-sufficiently manage that. I think there is a dummy waiter. There's one dummy waiter. We may have to put another one.
Right. Also, I think once we gain a bit more space from the bakery, our intention also to use this kitchen as a production for stocks and sauce and everything for all F&B outlet. So again, you have a better cost control and consistency. And we can do proper cook, chill, and vacuum pack and send to the different outlet. So
yeah.
Okay, so this is I think good start if everyone is in agreement what we are proposing, because in terms of the cost, for example, with keeping existing or a new for the preparation side, I'm talking first this side, cold room and all, we have to replace the cold room panels. We have to redo. We have recommended some system can be reused because that must have been replaced not too long ago. But in general, we have a cost. You have to improve the floors, the wall guards, the ceiling.
Suresh, so, I don't think we have a choice because FSSI guidelines is very important for international brand, and most people are now asking for those certifications to show them. We have to get the FSSI license eventually, and we're not compliant, and we have to make sure that hygiene sanitization FSSI is taken care of. Very important for us. There's no choice in this.
Right.
May I ask today?
Yes, Kap.
In terms of the hygiene, you report a lot about it. Unfortunately, that the existing space for the corridor is so limited. I still doubt that we still keep the dirty waste logistic from the brown line to somewhere else. You still use the same corridor share with the good condition of the food product, right?
So this is but that is that is the reason I said that once we rework, so the dirty dish drop off is now is a brown line, but this corridor is your open wide corridor. I don't think you have any concern on that one. Generally, we try to avoid the crossover within the kitchen or within the kitchen corridor. This is a very general, it's almost like an outdoor condition, you know. So I don't think you would have any problem with that.
I don't know the structure from the inside, like those, there are many doors coming out between kitchens. Can we not interconnect them? I don't know if these are retaining doors or these are...
right. So first thing is, we wanted to connect here.
Yeah.
But there is a big electrical box here.
That can
now
be
that yeah, but that has a lot of other costs, and that's what I like to discuss with MEP team and a hotel engineer, because for us it's very easy and simple to pass through. But once you relocate the box, it means it depends on the cable length. If you need a longer cable, you have to change the cable. You can't have a connection for the cable. So that is something we need to talk to hotel engineer and the MEP team, whether we can do or not. If we do that, that's very simple for us.
We need to reduce the entry and
Sure.
exit, because that
Sure.
height and plus
Sure.
and
Yeah.
so we can, I don't know when your team is here next, we can do a walk around, or we can study those points.
I think I like to come again, and I heard that Shane is coming sometime early October, right?
First week, yeah.
First week. It
Yes.
would be good for me to come same time, because one part is more on a technical and back of house renovation, and other part is whatever Shane trying to do with his concept. I can also understand in terms of correlation with back of house.
Yes. M&E เรามีไอ้เคเบิลที่จะต้องรื้อไหมคุณอามมีไหมครับ
ตรงส่วนไหนนะครับ ในส่วนห้องครัวครับ
วงเมื่อกี้ครับวงเมื่อกี้
อ๋อมันเป็นฮับมันเป็นฮับมันเป็นฮับ
มันเป็นพาเนล
อ๋อ
มันเป็นฮับต่อ
ตู้ไฟฟ้า
ของ
เดิมใช่ไหมครับ ที่อยู่ในห้องครัวในตรงเนี้ยครับก็มันต้องย้อนกลับมาดู เดี๋ยวต้องมาแคลโหลดใหม่จากโหลดครัวใหม่ที่จะเพิ่มเข้าไปอะครับ
อ๋อมันเป็นเมนบอร์ดดิ้งเป็น
ใช่
เมนบอร์ด
ครับ
ตรงนั้น
ครับของเดิมมันเป็นตู้เมนอยู่ประมาณสัก3 ใบ
ใช่
ครับ อันนี้ต้อง
มัน
รอ
จ่ายไปไหนไม่รู้นะมันจ่ายไปไหนไม่รู้
ครับ
จ่ายครัวทั้งหมดจ่ายครัวทั้งหมดครับ
อ๋อโอเคโอเค
ตรงนี้เราต้องเดี๋ยวต้องเอาข้อมูลจากทาง Kitchen
แต่
Design ครับ
แต่คุณ
มาดู
คุณสุเรศ mention about the IT cable not the main not the main power right
I mentioned about main power, because when we relocate the box, when we
main
relocate
power.
box, the cable, if you need a longer cable, it means whole cable has to be changed.
Okay we have to change anyway right คุณใช่ไหมมัน ต้องเปลี่ยนไหม
I think you have to identify what the cable that power is for.
Okay let meet and the engineering team to work out
ใช่
If we are going to change the cable anyway, then there is no question. Then new board can go. If we are trying to keep the cable as it is, then it's a different option.
ค่ะ
Idea is to reduce the number of entry and exit to kitchen.
I totally agree, and I almost punched through, and we look at the picture and we look at the notes from the site visit. There is a board here, and that's why we show here EDB.
If there is only one, I don't think that's a big deal to move. It can be moved, whatever it is.
Okay
คุณสุชาติฮะเดี๋ยวขอโทษนิดนึงนะฮะไม่ทราบมีอะไรเกี่ยวกับทางผมอีกบ้างไหมครับ ถ้าไม่มีเนี่ยผมขออนุญาตแยกไปคุยกับคุณน้ำพึ่งได้ไหมครับ คุณสุชาติฮะ
ทางคุณเชนเนี่ยก็จะมาดูอีกครั้งหนึ่งเพื่อจะให้ข้อมูลในการออกแบบใช่ไหมครับ ถ้าเราจะรอตัวนั้นจากทางคุณเชนเราจะได้ทั้งเมื่อไหร่ พื่อให้ทางเรามีข้อมูลเพื่อจะปรับปรุงตัว F&B ในส่วนของบัวและเบติโต้ครับคุณยุทธนาเข้าใจป่ะครับตรงนั้นเรามีสิ่งที่ต้องเอาเรื่องของการปรับปรุงบัวและเบติโต้มาคุยกับทางไดอาร์ตด้วย
ใช่ฮะใช่ฮะเดี๋ยวถ้าตรงนั้นเนี่ยเราเริ่มได้คอนเซปต์จากทางคุณเชนมาแล้วเนี่ยเดี๋ยวคงต้องมาคุยในรายละเอียดตรงนั้นกันเรื่องครัวคุณสุเรศด้วยฮะ
ครับงั้นฝากตรงประเด็นนั้นไว้แล้วกันครับเพราะว่าเดี๋ยวผมเองก็เกินกับคุณสุเรศแล้วว่าเราอาจจะขอให้ปรับปรุงในส่วนของบัวและเบติโต้ก่อน
ส่วนจริงๆในแผนที่คุยกับคุณสุปรีไว้ครับตอนแรกช่วงนั้นนะครับเราจะเริ่มปรับปรุงในส่วนนี้คาดว่าจะทำตรงช่วงโลซีซั่นตรงช่วงไฮซีซั่นนะครับเพราะว่าตรงบวชมันจะไม่พันกับใครครับพิจารณาทีนี้ประเด็นสิ่งที่ทำได้มันจะกลายเป็นว่าไอ้ตัวข้างหลังก่อนใช่ไหมครับแต่โดยตัวด้านหน้ามันต้องรอคอนเซ็ปต์ของ F&B ก่อนนะครับพี่ก็เลยยังไงฝากพี่ลองเซตหน่อยครับ
อันนี้เดี๋ยวยังไงผมต้องคุยกับทางเชนก่อนถ้าเชนเขาสรุปไอ้ตัวฟู้ดคอนเซปต์มาเนี่ยแล้วเดี๋ยวมาปรับมาดูเรื่องเลเยอร์แล้วก็คงประสานงานกับคุณสุเรศด้วยฮะ
ครับ
they can work in Bangkok because they know each other, right?
ครับ
call meeting
ครับ we can do here in Bangkok ครับ
yeah we can
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
ครับถ้างั้นผมรบกวนเดี๋ยวผมรีบห้องประชุมก่อนไปคุยกับคุณน้ำพึ่งต่อก่อนนะครับ
ได้เลยครับ
ครับขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Okay, so I think what we will do is we will continue developing the detail of this area. We will assume that we relocate the bakery and rework the dining area, and we'll share updates again. And then I don't know if I come first week of October, is it too late or not? Or we can have a separate call with engineering team, hotel engineering team, and a meat team to discuss. We can go through the picture of each area and we can explain what we need to do. Basically, to me, this is like a full renovation of all areas. So meat team has to wait for our drawing, MEP drawings. But if anything we need to be aware from MEP's perspective, like we just now said, if we are changing cable or not, whether we can relocate the electrical box or not, then we can settle our design.
ค่ะคุณสุเรศคุณเชน will is confirmed to be here on 3rd and 4th.
Okay, actually I'm meeting him in 2 hours at his office. We are working on few projects together, so
okay, so you know.
I worked with him many years with him.
Okay, ค่ะ
Regarding your request for the meeting, shall we set the day for that meeting in next week?
Yes, Kap.
Can we do this week itself and close? Because there's only few pain points.
I am okay to do Thursday or Friday morning.
I am okay. I'm okay.
Yeah. I think also to on Thursday, maybe Thursday afternoon.
Thursday afternoon, I cannot. I have a meeting from 12 to 3:30.
Or Thursday morning.
Thursday morning is okay.
So I will call the meeting and send you all the link of the meeting.
Okay.
On Thursday, say 9 o'clock.
Yeah, no problem.
Suresh, if you already have those pain points, you can share so they can study that and tell you on that day anyway.
Yeah, I will do that. I will make a list of,
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kun Suresh.
Thank you.
สักครู่คุณพีทอยู่ไหมครับคุณพีทอยู่ไหมครับครับมีโปรเกรสอะไรเล่าสู่กันฟังไหมครับ Any progress you can inform to the meeting
พอดีรอคุณประพินพิจารณาproposalอยู่นะครับเดี๋ยว
อ๋อ
คือ
ตัวนี้ครับพี่
คือตอนนี้เขาก็ต้องรอทางเดี๋ยวนะทาง P49 แล้วก็ต้องรอทางคุณเชนด้วยเพราะคุณเชนเขาจะมีไกด์ไลน์ว่าตัวหนังสือแบบไหนสีอะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะนี่มันก็อีกสเต็ปหนึ่งค่ะเพราะอาจจะมาทีหลังได้ค่ะ
ตัวที่ผมมีคอนเซิร์นอยู่นิดนึงในส่วนของตัวเนื่องจากวันนี้Green Architectไม่ได้เข้านะครับแต่งานส่วนหนึ่งเนี่ยมันเป็นไซเนตแล้วก็เลยออกจะพาดพิงไปถึงเรื่องงานของคุณพิสในส่วนนี้มันจะแลบกันหรือเปล่าคือป้ายโรงแรมไพลอน
คืออันนี้นะเดี๋ยวคิดว่าจะต้องมาคอมไบน์กันนะให้ชัดว่าถึงแม้จะคนละพื้นที่แต่ก็อยากให้ทางพีชกับคุณแรมเจอกันคุยกันด้วยนะคะมันจะได้ออกมาเป็นภาษาเดียวกัน
ครับก็งั้นเราอาจจะต้องคุยคุณเลมถึงตัวแนวทางทำเรื่องไพลอนอย่างเงี้ยเพื่อจะเอาข้อสรุปแล้วก็ส่งข้อมูลให้คุณพีทว่ากรอบจะเป็นที่เท่าไหร่
แต่ไอตัวเนี้ยเราต้องคุยกันก่อนว่าเราอยากจะมีหรือไม่มีนะคะตัวไพลอนเนี่ยว่าอยากจะมีหรือไม่มีอันนี้ดีไหมคะ
ดีครับ
เพราะป้ายโรงแรมมันก็มีอยู่แล้ว
ถ้าไปในทางที่แนะนำจะทำไพลอนเนี่ยผมต้องคำนึงถึงเรื่องการขออนุญาตครับ
ใช่คืออันนี้มันยังไม่เออร์เจนที่สุดที่มองนะคะเพราะว่าห้องอาหารเราก็ยังไม่เสร็จเพราะอย่างก็พูดถึงเรื่อง facility ภายในโรงแรมนะคะ
ครับได้ครับโอเคany other issue is we may check to the minutes of meeting whether we have other outstanding. Last time we invite Kun Kumar to join the MEP meeting already. So tomorrow he still will be up with us in the MEP meeting every week of Wednesday.
Sorry, Kun Charit, sorry, I just have one more note for Kun Suresh.
Yes, please.
Suresh, just please consider that when we have efficiency in the main kitchen, when we do Bon Appetito, we need to build in equipments which are plug and play for banquets for ease of operation, because today we're setting up mock kitchens in basements, in corridors. Ideally, that should be avoided. We should be able to use
Sure. We will have a hot box system.
We have, but I think better equipment will make it more efficient. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, carry on, Kunchari.
Okay, thank you. I have the issue about Green Architect who executed he has another meeting absent. For Triarch already explained all the presentation and report. Other issue is about the master program that we issue for a while and still need adjustment. In case of we have slightly different in the urgency or priority of each area. The other is about B-Lift and Dynamo already explained what they are under preparation. And we have the logistic plan explained last time. We have the issue about the Thai restaurant, still waiting for F&B consultant. And we have issue of tendering, which still wait for end of the year to have all the design document for tender. Other issue, we had inform you all about the contractor who involved with this project. We have the air conditioning, and now we are keep going on the renovation or demolition and replacement of all the piping in the building C, and the working in progress. Like as usual, we have the site meeting on this day too, in the morning. So you can follow up in case that you need to know the progress of the construction. I have run all of the record in the minute of meeting. If you have any new issue, please let. พี่ประวินมีหัวข้อเพิ่มไหมครับ คุณAJ, you have any issue that need to inform this design meeting?
No, all good. Thank you.
ไม่ดีค่ะคุณ
Without any other new issue, so we had complete all the minutes of design meeting. Thank you everybody for participating in this meeting, and see you all in next 2 weeks. ขอบคุณมากครับ
สวัสดีครับ
ขอบคุณมากครับสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
ขอบคุณครับ